Hi friends, today we'll discuss about SI. SI means standing instruction. Standing instruction means a regular transaction will be processed without any request each time. Means you want to do a transfer from one account to another account. It may be within the bank or one bank to another bank. You want to do it in every month for 1 year. Every month you need not give a request to the bank to transfer from my account to other account. If you give a standing instruction, automatically every month on a particular day this transaction will be executed. So what are the scenarios you need it for a standing instruction? You want to transfer money from one account to another account in the same bank, or you want to transfer money from savings account to recurring deposit every month. You want to transfer savings account to your loan account every month, EMI you want to repay, or fund transfer to third party, you want to transfer money every month to your friend account in another bank. NEFT, you want to do NEFT RTGS monthly to X party, and you have received a fixed deposit interest to your savings account. You can give a standing instruction every month interest calculated on fixed deposit will automatically transfer to your savings bank account. So what are the keywords used for a standing instruction? It may be basic information you need it to start a standing instruction. You need a sender account, you need a beneficiary account, need a amount, frequency of the transaction, you want to do it daily, monthly, quarterly, and what is the start date and what is the end date, what is the status of the standing instruction, which day it should be executed. These are the keywords available in standing instruction. So in my example, sender account number I mentioned, receiver account number I mentioned, and what is the amount you want to do, and what is the frequency monthly. Every month on 5th you want to do this transaction, what is the start date and what is the end date. You are given for 1 year and your standing instruction status is active. So what are the different status available for a standing instruction? As long as your transaction is active, means your SI is in live position. Matured means after 1 year automatically it will be matured. Cancelled means in between you are given a standing instruction for 12 months, after 6 months you want to stop the standing instruction. So you can go to the bank and you can stop the standing instruction. So it is called cancelled. Failed means standing instruction executed, but because of technical reasons, because other account has closed or whatever the sender account there is no proper balance is available, then it is failed. So what is the grace days related to standing instruction? So payment may be made without penalty. These days are grace days. You said like every month you want to pay certain amount to different account on 5th or 15th or 25th. In my example, I have taken every month I have to pay certain amount to other account. So I have given a standing instruction every month first amount should be transferred from my account to another account. Okay, it may be savings account to recurring deposit. Every month first I have to do the transaction. I have 3 days as a grace period. So for example, because of my account has minimum balance and my transaction amount is 5,000 rupees, my account has only 2,000 rupees. So my SI will be failed, but I have 3 grace days. So I can transfer 1st, 2nd, 3rd or 4th of January. I can transfer from my savings account to my recurring deposit account without any penalty. These are called grace period. Thank you friends.